Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set stop limit on Binance. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to trade rate here at the top. Now click on spot. Okay, you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, what you're going to do in here is just go to the top and select the trading pair. For example, we have here USDT. Maybe I would like to choose ASDR to USDT. Okay, I'm going to click on it. And here's this chart for this pair. So what you're going to do next is just go ahead and scroll down. And here we have the spot trading section. Okay, so to set stop limit here on Binance, okay, what we're going to do is just click on stop limit right here. Click on it and stop limit will be automatically checked. So you might be asking, we have buy, sell. Okay, stop right here. What is stop? Well, stop means the trigger price or the price at which the order becomes active. Okay, for example, 100 or 100 USDT. Now, the execution price right here, or the limit, okay, this is when the price at which the order will be placed. For example, at maybe a 99 USDT. And then the amount right here. Well, this is the quantity of the asset you wish to sell. Just for example, 100 ASDR. Or you could go ahead and use the slider right here. Maybe use percentage. Okay. So out of all my ASDR, I have 12.6 for 50%. And the total would be this amount of USDT. Okay. You have the max buy and estimated fee. So once you're happy with it, you click on buy. Now it says here the last price rises to or above 100 USDT. An order to buy 12 ASDR at a price of 99 USDT will be placed. All right, so if you're happy with that, just click on confirm and you're good to go. So the risk for this is that if the price drops extremely fast, okay, the limit order may not fill immediately if the market price drops below the limit price. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you set stop limit on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.